Welcome back to Al's Kitchen. This week I'm going to do something absolutely crazy. I'm going to make a chicken tikka NAGA Phall. I mean, who eats these curries like really and enjoys them? I mean, they are ridiculously hot. Anyway, so stay tuned if you want to turn your intestines into lava rock and your ring into a firestone, because this one is really going to kill you. So make sure you've got good medical health insurance, because you might not come back from this. Anyway, before I start cooking, I think I'm going to need a drink. I'm going to start off with a usual beer, but I think that's going to pretty much turn to milk when I do the dreaded taste test. So I'm just going to pour my beer. Right, half a pint of Jupiler. Cheers everyone. Absolutely superb. So let me start out with the ingredients. Here we have a teaspoon of tandoori masala powder and 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. This is going to give the curry that super fiery red colour. And here we have 2 tablespoons of extra hot chili powder. Now make sure it is extra hot. This is a NAGA Phall. Right, here I have a tablespoon of Mr Naga pickle, and this is in the jar here. I will leave a link in the description box below where you can buy this. I'm having to buy mine on Amazon, so I will leave a link. So these are your chili blend, and here I have half a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of sugar just to soften the curry up, a tablespoon of Al's mixed powder. This is going to give it that curry blend that you'll find in restaurants. I have a tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste and 3 tablespoons of tomato puree mixed with water and 8 pieces of chicken tikka. Now I do prefer tikka in these kinds of curries. Adds extra flavours, and God, you're going to need it, because pretty much all you're going to taste in this curry is fire and flame. I'm absolutely dreading the taste test. Feel like I'm going to have a bit of a meltdown even before I cook this thing. So first thing we're going to do is heat up some vegetable oil. Okay, so once we've heated up the oil, we want to be throwing in the ginger and garlic paste. I'm sure those of you that follow me have done this so many times before. You can be turning out a BIR curry in your sleep. So we just want to fry this down for about 30 or 40 seconds, just to take out any sharp, bitter flavours. Nice bit of frozen garlic and ginger paste. Don't want to be using that jar stuff, no. I bet all your wives will be nagging you cooking this. What are you cooking that for? It's too hot and spicy. You know, engagement ring, wedding ring, hot ring, suffering. That's it. So cook out the tomato paste. And again, like with the garlic and ginger, you want to cook out the tomato paste. Soften it right down, yeah? Take out any bitter, acidic flavours. Like my pan, nice and deep, a lot less mess. Right, so get your base gravy nice and hot, ready to go into the curry. That's here. If you don't know what base gravy is, I'll give you the link to the video down below if you're new. Okay, so now it's time to put the spices in. So the chili powders, the tandoori masala powder, the mixed powder. And if this gets too thick, you might want to add some base gravy just to loosen things down a little. See, just like that. So there's your like NAGA curry masala paste. I'm just going to add some base gravy just to loosen things up. These BR curries, I mean, they're so easy to make now, aren't they? I mean, that is looking like fire. That's it. And what we want to do now is really cook those spices out. Because there are a lot of spices in this curry, if you don't do that, it's going to taste powdery and gritty. That's me just watering down my base gravy. Make sure the base gravy is nice and thin. Milk-like consistency, yeah? Right. Now I'm going to throw in the chicken, that's right. Check out my chicken tikka recipe as well. I filmed it last summer in the garden and there's really nothing like it. It's absolutely amazing and will transform any of your curries. I mean, this is not far from done, to be honest. Adding more base gravy. Right, turn that low and simmer that down for a few minutes, yeah? Right, so let's up the ante even further by adding Mr Naga's Naga chili paste. Like I said, you can get it on Amazon, some other places stock it. I'll be leaving the link in the description box below. Do you know, I just can't believe I'm tasting this at the end. There might not be any more videos from me after this, I tell you. It won't be COVID that kills me, it'll be Naga syndrome. Well, that's a nice consistency of gravy there, isn't it? Right, add in the salt and the sugar. Right, I'm just going to prep some coriander. You can't have a Naga without a little bit of coriander stem. So, what curries have you all been making? What beers are you drinking? I'm interested in new ones. I'm going to return to the owls soon. Went to the pub the other day for the first time, got in mumps, and I had a pint of Guinness. And, oh my God, it was a real pleasure. And there was a guy sitting next to me actually, and he was there when I arrived in the beer garden. And the waiter came out with a tray and there was 2 pints of delicious Guinness on it. And that's what I was about to order anyway. And he didn't know I was watching him, but he took his pint of Guinness and he took it like this. He went, and I said to him, I love the response, that's classic. This is ready and I'm going to be dishing this up now. And I'm not looking forward to it. This ain't even for the camera, I'm seriously not even looking forward to this. Here we go. Look at this super fiery, hot, hellfire NAGA Phall. In all honesty, I mean, who of you actually order Phall regularly in a restaurant? I mean, the gravy does look gorgeous, doesn't it? Look at that. That does look amazing. You know, my signature lemon twist. Won't really be an owl's curry without the lemon, is it? I mean, not every curry needs a slice of lemon, but of those that do, I always use it. Right, so there's our little twist of lemon. And just a tiny little bit of coriander. Right, so now it's time for the taste test. Oh God, we're going to go with a bit of chicken here. Oh my God, it's so fucking hot. It's so hot, burning my ears to be honest. Right, should we go again? Actually no, I can't go again. Oh, fucking hell. Got a nice taste. Oh my God. Yeah, this is what I mean. This is a phaal. This is hot. It's Naga. Oh. I can't eat any more of that. It's lovely. It's really nice. You've got to try this at home. Hi John, listen, I've made a Naga curry, a phaal Naga tikka, and I can't actually eat it. I mean, I just tried a little bit and I just feel like I've just lost my fertility. Seriously, so I think you're going to have to pop round and try this. See you in a minute. Oh God, was that milk? I mean, it's got a lovely flavour.
Right.
What do you think, like it looks?
Well, it looks lovely, doesn't it?
Yeah, tell us what you think. Oh, go on, just take a lump of chicken and some gravy.
Wow.
What do you think?
Well, it's got a lovely taste.
It's got taste as well as heat,
Yeah,
isn't it?
yeah.
This guy's got asbestos mouth. I mean, he drinks tea straight from the cup after pouring it from the kettle. Is it enjoyable? Would you pay money for that?
Mm.
Yeah? How much? Come on, get it down, yeah? It's free. It's free. All right, you walk off and you can go and take your curry away with you now.
Oh.
Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed this week's episode. Do check out my other recipes. Subscribe if you're new and do follow me on social media. I'm going to finish off my milk and my beer. And I won't be finishing off that curry. But give it a go, give it a try. Tell me what you think in the comments section below. And as usual, I'm Al and I'm out of here. What was I thinking?